What up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out your grills on your BMW F chassis. This is going to work for F80s, F82, F30, 32, etc. You guys get it, F chassis. I have made this swap quite a few times, to be honest with you. I started out with my OEM chromes with the single slats. I went with a set of Amazon, which is really all you need is Amazon grills. Like, you don't need expensive kidney grills. They're cheap. Basically, I went with the black ones with the dual slats. Decided I want to go more OEM plus. Swap my dual slats to the chrome. Now I have this set. Now I'm going to swap the black surrounds with my OEM single slats, like an M Performance style. So I'm going to show you guys how to install that. Excuse me. So basically, your first step is, let me move the camera out a little bit. So basically, your first step is you're going to want to pull this weather stripping off. Basically, just start over here. Pull it back, and it literally just comes out in one long piece, and you can just chuck that aside for now. Your next step is you're going to remove all these Torx bolts. You can use a ratchet with a Torx bolt or a screwdriver. Just remove them. These are a little bit smaller than all these interior ones. You're going to need two sizes, and then I'll show you guys once I have that. After you get these screws off, you're going to pull, be careful, but pull these out. There's a couple of them. You're gonna scratch the bumper, not really a large deal. After this is out, the easiest way to do it that I've found is sticking your hand in here. I'll try to get that on camera, but it's gonna be really, really hard. Basically, you could see these little pins in here, clips rather. Basically, just pull them out, and this thing should come out like butter. After you've done it a couple times, it's gonna be much easier than the first time. The first time doing grills is a big pain in the ass, but it gets easier, don't worry. So once you guys get those off, you're going to want to go ahead and take a little pick tool and get each one of those clips out. This is only if you're going to be swapping these surrounds around. If you're not, ignore this step. So once you guys have a new set of surrounds and slats that you want, which one is this? This is the left one. So you're going to take that, and then you're going to grab your surround, put it like that, line up the tabs, and click it in. I'm going to do that off camera because I can't do it one-handed. Next up, once you have your new pair of grills, you're simply just going to slide them in from the outside and then do that arm thing that I told you from the front and make sure they're all clipped in. So I will time-lapse that as well. So I filmed that last part, and instead of hitting time-lapse, I hit slow-mo. So you guys aren't going to see me putting it back in, but I literally just did what I said. I just slid them in. So now I'm going to time-lapse myself doing these screws. Basically, you're just going to take this and you're going to slide each clip back together, and you're going to put those Torx together. Make sure that these screw holes are all lined up. And if you don't like the fitment of your bumper after, you can slide these back and forth to adjust it. So last step that I did without showing you guys is I put this weather strip back. Basically, there's a little line under here, little painted lip. You're gonna just line it up so it's even under both of these, and then just clip them in, and he is all good to go. Black grills are back. I think they look phenomenal. These are shitty Amazon grills, so I do have a little bit of a gap, but whatever. So now we're gonna close the hood. And the car looks super, super good. I think with the black wheels that I have coming in, this was the perfect move that I needed to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope this helped you guys out on your do-it-yourself projects on your F chassis BMW. If you guys want more, subscribe. B58Josh. My TikTok and Instagram links are down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching.